Hi everybody, it's me, Mike Celestino from laughingplace.com. I want to give you a quick update on some Lego Star Wars stuff that we have going on here on the Laughing Place YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this new Yoda's lightsaber set, which is a small set. It's going to take me a very short amount of time to build it, and then I'll also do a quick review of it. But this set came for free when I purchased a much larger set yesterday, and that is this giant Lego Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina from the original Star Wars film, aka Episode 4, A New Hope. And the announcement today is that all day Saturday, this Saturday, September 19th, starting at 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific time, I'm going to be building most of this set live on this YouTube channel, Laughing Place YouTube channel, and it'll probably go for about 6 or 6.5 hours or so, and I'll try to get through as much as I possibly can. There's no guarantee I can finish this entire thing, but I'll get through as much as we can in that time. So please join me as we build the Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina. I'm super excited to open this up and check it out, so please visit the Laughing Place YouTube channel on Saturday to join me. Otherwise, we're going to start building the Yoda's lightsaber set. Here we go. Let's take a look. Okay, like I said, this is Yoda's lightsaber, first seen in Star Wars Episode 2, Attack of the Clones. And this is a free set that came with the Mos Eisley Cantina at the Lego store or lego.com. You get this along with your purchase for free. There's nothing on the back, just the Lego logo and some yellow bricks, not much on the top or bottom or sides. It's just a box within a box here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, check out what's inside. I'll build it and we'll review it. Let's go. Alright, opening up the box here, taking off this tape. Already damaged the box, but that's okay. And inside we've got one bag of stuff. One instruction manual that was serving basically as the cover, the front of the box inside that sleeve there. And this is kind of an all-purpose Lego box that I'm sure they've used for other sets in the past, other smaller sets. Let's open up. Oh, it's a kind of a Ziploc bag here that this came in. I'll dump out all the pieces. Okay, that's everything. It's 140 pieces. It's set number 6346097. There's what it's going to look like at the end. Got all the pieces laid out here. Opening the instruction book to the first page, and I'm going to go into fast motion. It should not take very long. Here we go. And and that is it. It's Yoda's lightsaber. It took me about 13 minutes to build this, so not very long at all. I'm pretty sure this is life-size. If you were Yoda and had tiny little Yoda hands, this would fit perfectly right in your hand, and it's not too bad in my hand either. So pretty sure this is a life-size Lego replica of Yoda's lightsaber handle or hilt. And honestly, I would love for them to do more of these. I would love to see a bunch of famous Star Wars lightsabers in life-size Lego reproductions, I bet they would sell really well. And this one was basically free if you spend a bunch of money on that other set. And then it came with a stand. The only thing I would say is the stand was built second in the instruction booklet, and I had already built the lightsaber, which was kind of the main attraction. So I almost think they should have swapped it and put the stand first in the book and then have you build the lightsaber, so it's not like an anti-climax. But you can still skip to the back if you got this set and haven't built it yet. Skip to the back, build the stand, and then build the lightsaber, and it's a little bit more of a nice build-up. But yeah, it looks great. I think it looks, as far as I can tell, it looks just like Yoda's lightsaber that we would see in episodes 2 and 3 of the Star Wars prequel trilogy. I'm of the controversial opinion that Yoda probably shouldn't have had a lightsaber. I always thought of him as more of a pacifist among the Jedi from his appearance in The Empire Strikes Back and Return of the Jedi, that he was kind of an outlier and didn't use a lightsaber, but George Lucas disagreed with me and put that in the movie that he was fighting with the lightsaber, so that's cool. And I think if you're more of a prequel person than I am, you're gonna really, really enjoy having this on display on your shelf. And look how nicely it fits on the display stand there. Let's take a shot of it as it looks on the table. So yeah, I think that's a really, really nice looking set, especially for having been for free pretty much. That's a pretty cool bonus item for having bought the Cantina. I can't complain there. It looks great on the stand. I don't know if I'm going to keep it on display because I don't have a lot of prequel stuff around, but I bet fans of the prequels who are bigger and more into the prequels than I am are really going to love this. And I really like the design, and I really hope that they make other famous lightsabers from the Star Wars films in Lego form like that. I would probably consider buying them because usually I don't get stuff that's not minifigure scale in Lego, but this is just a great idea. And I would love for them to do other weapons from Star Wars, like the Han Solo DL-44 blaster, stuff like that. That would be really cool. But otherwise, yeah, go out and pick up the giant Lego Star Wars Cantina set. And right now, if you buy it, you'll get this Yoda's lightsaber set for free with it. Life size, pretty sure. So that's pretty cool. And then don't forget, Saturday, this Saturday, September 19th, 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific time, right here on the Laughing Place YouTube channel, I'm going to be building this live for 6+ hours, and we'll see how much I could get through of it. But I'm really excited. I might do a watch-along as well with The Mandalorian Season 1, so we have something else to talk about besides just watching me click together those Lego bricks in real time. So we'll discuss The Mandalorian, and, you know, this appears in The Mandalorian in addition to Episode 4, A New Hope. So please come join me Saturday, September 19th, this weekend, on Laughing Place YouTube channel. This is Mike Celestino. May the Force be with you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!